Welcome back, my friends. Welcome back to beautiful TO. Cloudy, dreary, but as long as it's not snowing, we're just doing fine. Feelings. It's nothing but a feeling. That's what we're going to talk about. Feelings. How are you feeling right now? And what does it mean? And how can you use those feelings to make your life an awesome life to live? When I learned this, my life started changing slowly, slowly, slowly. And guess what? After that, it became an awesome life. And that's what I'm working on right now. An awesome life. Right now, I'm very happy. Live in the moment. Remember I said? Always live in the moment. Because that is where life begins. In this moment. So what does feeling mean? How does the law of attraction work? Have you ever thought of that? Or do you believe in the law of attraction? Listen, my friends. If you learn this, your life as you see it right now will be freaking awesome. I guarantee it. Everything that you've attracted in your life right now, everything, I don't care what it is, even the accident, even the coronavirus, you have attracted because you're constantly thinking about it. Constantly. You're constantly bombarded with this information. And guess what? By the law of nature, by the law of attraction, you get it. You are attracting. It's like a force field. It's coming to you because you want it. Whether you think you want it or not, you do want it. Because subconsciously, that is what you've put in. So what does feelings have to do with what I'm saying? Good thing. Because I would have asked the same question. What does feelings have to do with it? What you feel, you attract. What you think, you become. Assume the feeling of what you want in life, not what you do not want. That is the secret. If you learn this, your life will change. Most people are always focused on the negative in their life. That's it. Oh, this person's hurt me. Oh, this person's not paid me. Oh, I feel sick. Listen, feel what you want, not what you do not want. Think about that. If you learn this, your life will change. In this moment, if you're feeling lonely, start feeling happy thoughts. Sing happy music. Think happy things. Watch happy, funny movies. Think about that. If you learn this, because look, at the end of the day, why are you put on this earth? You're put on this earth to be happy. That's it. Everything else is feeling. Everything on this earth is a feeling. As Neville Goddard says, assume the feeling that you want, not what you do not want. Assume that feeling. Saturate your mind so much with it. Try it. I guarantee like-minded thoughts will start coming into your life, into your mind. And start feeling that way and you'll start attracting that. What you think you become, what you feel you attract, what you imagine you create. It all starts with the feeling, the thought, a mold in your mind. Form that mold that you want. And then act towards it with a happy, smiley way. Doesn't matter. Even if you're going to a court, assume the feeling that you want. Listen, I've practiced that. I went to the court with the feeling that I wanted, not the feeling that I do not want. When I was stranded somewhere far away with my mom in her hospital, with everything was gloomy, I was assuming the feeling that I wanted, even though it was hard, but I was doing it. That is a test. You try that and see what happens in your life. So listen, feelings go in such a way that more of things that you think about, those are the kind of things that happen to you. That's the kind of feelings that you that you're getting. The secret is not to assume those feelings. The secret is step back. And then guess what you do? Start feeling what you want. Because the way feelings work, the more of what you are thinking and feeling is the more of thoughts you're going to happen in your life. So if you're getting positive thoughts, feel more of it. Feel good. Feel good in the moment. Feel more happy. You'll see the more happier you'll get. When you're feeling bad, guess what will happen? You'll feel better. 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 That's a word, right? You'll feel worse. It'll be a snowballing effect. The idea is to have a shifter whereby you can say, cancel, no more of this. Actually use those words, cancel. Think about that, cancel, use that word. And guess what will happen? When you use that word cancel, something will happen in your mind. And you will say, okay, I'm not going to think of this anymore. And start thinking in a way that you want to feel. Watch a movie. Sing a song. Think about that. That's what I do. I sing songs. I've got some favorite songs that I sing. And some people in my life, okay, they say, why do you change all of a sudden, your emotions change? Because I've trained myself and they don't like it. But they don't understand this. They don't understand this secret. Think about that. You have to be bombarded with this kind of feeling that you want to assume. Because your feelings will create the thoughts that you want in your life. Because you become what you think. All feelings are an action signal. If you're feeling bad, guess what? That is an action signal to you saying that red light, like the sirens going off. It's telling you need to change, shift your thinking, do something to make you go in the direction that you want to go in life. That's all they are. But you know what most people do? When they start feeling like that, guess what? They start thinking negative. It doesn't work like that. If you start doing that, guess what's going to happen? You are going to be a miserable person and nobody will want to be beside you. Think about that. This is how it works. If you do this, your life will change. I know a lot of people need this. I know that because I was one of them. I don't want to be that person. I took control of my life. Mental health, whatever health, you can do what you want and how you want to do it. If you practice this, it's all in the feeling. Feelings are guidance as to how you can live your life and attract the things that you want in your life. Think about that. Think about that. If you do this, your life will change. I guarantee it. Have you ever had a feeling that all of a sudden you had at a pit of your stomach saying that, oh, I feel so bad, something has happened. Those are action signals. If you don't want to feel that way, you can change it. Slowly, slowly. Only takes 5 minutes. And then your life changes like that. In the moment. And wouldn't that be a blissful way of living? If you learn this, I guarantee it. I guarantee it, your life will change. Mine has. You can live a blissful life. It's up to you. It's all up to you. I know I gave you value. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel so we can make this world a better place. Just feel good, happy thoughts, happy way of feeling, happy way of living. That's it. No other way. All right? Live consciously, with purpose, in the moment, and with freaking passion. So much passion that it is oozing out of you. Assume that feeling, okay?